Red and I are going to demonstrate how to trim nails. Are you ready? Yeah? What we have, we've got some yummy treats, which he loves. Anything yummy. We've got our nail trimmers. These are the scissor style, which are generally recommended over the guillotine style. They trim nails better than crush them like the guillotine ones do. And then we have our nail Dremel. I'm using a medium grit band on this one. I use both tools to get most of the nail off when trimming, and then you can soften up the edges with the Dremel. And when you trim the nail, you generally want to do a quick motion with the trimmer. The slower that you do it with the pressure, the more the dog is going to feel it and might jerk back on you. So you just want to do a quick cut with the trimmer. Black nails are hard to do. You basically have to kind of just take a little bit off at the time, and that's where the Dremel comes in handy as well. So you can just file back a little bit. If the dog's nails are longer, you can generally cut off more at a time. I tend to keep his pretty short, so we're just going to cut off a little bit at a time. When I first started doing this, I used to give him a treat after every single nail. Just made it fun that way. I generally just kind of cut it back to every other nail, and then just once I finished with his foot, I would give him a treat. So we're going to get our treats out first, so that way I have them ready. I usually just break them in half, so they're ready to go when I need to use them. So we're just going to do a couple nails at a time here. We're just going to do a quick cut, just like that. You just want to do it real quick. Just take off the tips. And then we give a good treat. It's a good boy. Now, if you accidentally cut too short, you cut into the quick where the blood supply and the nerve is, you're going to get a little bit of blood. And the dog can feel that, so obviously you don't want to try to get it too short. But if that happens, not the end of the world. You can take a little bit of baking flour with a Q-tip and kind of dab it on there, and that'll clot the blood. It seems like it bleeds a lot. It's not a lot of blood, it just doesn't stop bleeding. So we're just going to take a little bit off of each nail here. And give a little treat. So that part is done with the cutting.